digital world, we have got the freedom, but somewhere we are not living the freedom in a correct manner.
In this era, everybody is doing brain drain. Today's education system is outdated.
We should leave taking help of AI everywhere because it is stealing our creativity, our own thoughts, and our freedom.
Hi. Guys, in today's session, we are going to go with presentation and whatever the topic has been given and appointed to all of you right there. I want everybody to come here behind this podium and speak something. Okay, you people will be given 2 minutes of time to speak. After 2 minutes, this phone going to ring, and I want everybody to wrap up that particular speech within 15 seconds. Means somehow you are going to get 2 minutes 15 seconds. So I want each one of you to be confident, have a smile on your face, be interacted throughout your eyes, and just stay motivated before speaking.
In today's digital world, we have got the freedom, but somewhere we are not living the freedom in a correct manner, because we people are using technology, and with the help of technology, we people are wasting our lives or wasting the resources of our earth because of the one thing, that is plastic. Plastic is something by which our body gets lots of contaminated things. Just imagine the water only. Water is the basic need of our life, but because of the plastic, the water is getting contaminated just because of the chemicals which are coming out from the plastic. Even plastic is not just the one thing. This cannot be recycled uh, after the millions of years. This or there are means there are several types of plastic which cannot be recycled. And even as per the study, if you are consuming something or food in the plastic uh, utensils, so at that point of time you are there is a high risk of getting or of going through cancer, because plastic contains some of the chemicals which can really harm your visceral organs. And if your visceral organs are getting harmful, so at a point of time you would not be living your life happily. We have seen in today's world many people are suffering from plastic. So this is the main reason, and I believe that plastic must be banned. Thank you.
In this modern world, we would have seen a lot of AI platform. But from all those platforms, there is one platform that plays a very vital role. That is known as ChatGPT. Hi guys, this side Krishna. As we all know about the ChatGPT, ChatGPT plays a very vital role. But somewhere, on the other hand, it has got a lot of bad effect. It has been creating a lot of impact over our society. The first impact I would like to talk about that it has been grabbing the job of a lot of people. Just take the example of script writer only. The script writer has been getting the has been like the chat GPT has been grabbing the job of script writer. Just try to imagine if you want to make any kind of particular video, just go to chat GPT. It will write, they will write, it will write every script whatever you want to add in your video. The second thing, it will provide you the editing software. It will provide you everything whatever you want. If you want to make any particular food, it will provide you. If you want to play, or if you want to know how to play cricket, it will provide you. It will give you the basics, that how you can be best in somewhere. Whatever you would ask, just it's a matter of prompt. Whatever you do, whatever how you write, it's a, like that only. The third impact I would like to say, it has been creating that it has been making you lazy. It has been adding laziness within yourself. Just try to imagine, there are a lot of people who used to do too much hard work for getting something, but now they have provided, they are provided with the chat gpt. They search on it and they get a lot of information from right there. So what do I conceive, that don't use chat gpt in a limit, or use chat gpt in a limit. Excessive use of chat gpt can harm.
Brain drain. In this era, everybody is doing brain drain. Don't know if people are educated, still they do brain drain. If people are also not educated, still there's brain drain. And it is brain drain rate in our India is too much, because our Indian currency only one US dollar equal to 60 rupees of our India. Can you understand how much it is? And their regular job price is about $1,000. Now you can multiply and get the answer how much it can be. It is about 60,000 per month. And do you know, guys, brain drain is also an important thing. The importance of it is, in this India government school, as you know, how is the condition of them, I also don't need to explain because you know. In private schools every day a new function comes and wants money, 500, 1000, and other things. And what is side effects of the brain drain? Side effects of the brain drain is people are forgetting their culture. Many of the South Koreas, you might have seen many of the videos of South Korea. They are following the culture of India and wearing saris. But many of the person of our Indian, they are wearing clothes and performing the cultures of other countries. See, there's nothing wrong, but I'm just saying people are forgetting their culture. And thank you.
As we know that nowadays people are using electric vehicle because it is taking the place of diesel vehicle, because it is important for our environment as well as people who are using diesel and exploit the resources, as India is also importing the diesel or petrol from other countries, and we are getting fiscal deficit in a high. That's why we are shifting towards the uh, electric vehicle. And we know that there are many station has uh, built for the electric vehicle, and it is the future for next coming future. And it is important for our environment, our society, as well as our political culture, as people are suffering from the many pollution because of diesel and petrol industry are using, and they are destroying our river and our land as well. We saw that many petrol many petrol mechanical thing is using in the agriculture sector, and that's why people are not going to afford that much because of high price of petrol. And when we shift towards the uh, electric vehicle, people will be able to get the chance to use their in agriculture as well. And it is the upcoming technology because of which we can be a developed country in next coming year. Thank you.
Today we are all the part of the current education system. So hello everyone, my name is Suvani, and today I would like to speak about, is current education system is outdated or not. So as my perspective, today's education system is outdated. Why it is outdated? Because as we know that in now today's education system is on the behalf of rectification. Students are not learning the things, they are not learning practically, they are doing rectification, they are learning. The biggest example, I am in front of you, I have completed my schooling from government school, and I learn whatever I learned from there. I did rectification even rather than understanding them, rather than understanding or use in the real life. I just learned them, I didn't use it in anywhere rather than teaching other students. So I strongly believe that current education system must be changed according to western culture. Nowadays we can see that in international schools, just like modern convent school, their education system is really good. They are teaching students practically, they are doing so many practical things, they are more intelligent than others. As we are in earlier period how we learn the things, but they are learning in a good way. So I strongly suggest to government to modify the current education system so student can learn more and more, and they can really use them in others way.
Okay, so hi everyone, this is Nidhi, and today I'm going to share some point with you all over the topic teacher, like the role of teacher in digital era. See, whenever we talk about digital, it's like new thing. And my point of view, like teacher have been doing multiple things for their students, so it's just like we just need to add more and more thing. And like teacher also is like a like they are also trying multiple things for their student, like they also learn new thing which is not under their comfort zone. And it is just like when student and teacher comes together, like they are when their thoughts are coming together. It's just like we can see the new thing which is very much important in this era. And it's just like we can take the example of technology only, like social media, as like which is my favorite, and that is YouTube. Like in this, like where they don't, like they know what is the benefit of it, like they are ready to do multiple things for us. And it is just like when they need to push, like first of all we just need to push ourselves, and second thing when they support us, it's just like if we all are think on the same thing, and that is our education. And in my point of view, whenever we think about digital, it's just like we all need to invest over thing, not for a minimum time, point of time, but it is a process for a long period of time. And it, when I think it is just in the era, and we just all need to learn more thing about technology. It's just not like we just need to stuck over our study books, which we generally prefer, that is NCRT. We also need to learn multiple things, which is very much important and going on in our surrounding. Thank you.
The climate. What is the climate? First of all, we should understand like what is the importance of the climate. Climate plays a very vital role in our life, and if we have a clear climate, so we can live a long life. As we are suffering from a lots of disease in today's era, and as we know, this era is a, we can say, technology era, and we are putting a lots of companies, and they are destroying the climate, they are cutting the trees, and global warming is increasing. As the global warming is increasing, so we are not able to take the clean oxygen, so it is a very harmful for our body, and for that we cannot live a long life. And it can also impact our body, and it can also impact another, we can say, animals, and it can also impact on the whole world. So if I talk about how we can save the climate change, how we can save the bad climate, so here's a lots of things to say, is a lots of things to do for the save the climate change. First, we should not throw the garbage here and there, and as much as you can save your what do we call, as much as you can save your climate, you should save, and don't burn the garbage.
In this era, which is being there in the technology advancements, I do believe we have been dependent on a very difficult thing, or the thing which is very dangerous, and that's AI. I believe this AI has been defeating our thoughts and having that power of manifesting. And I believe we are being defeated by AI. I believe we should leave taking help of AI everywhere, because it is killing our creativity, our own thoughts, and our freedom. I believe we people had better creativity when AI was not there. Today, I would not like to talk what is AI or what are the functions of AI, because everybody knows. But I would like to talk that why we need to leave AI and talk about the real understanding or the real world understanding. It's very easy to give a prompt on chat gpt and have everything in your hands, but it's very hard to think from your own and have different kinds of thoughts. Why creativity is very rare nowadays? Because we have got everything in our hands. Everything is right there available on chat gpt. First of all, I would like to tell you that this AI belongs to us, and we are the one who need to change it. As excess use of everything can be the worst. Eating food a lot can cause you vomiting. Using AI a lot can defeat you, can make your life worse. Thank you so much.